Okay, so here we are getting the fog lights sorted out. Got a couple of straight bullet connections here, and I have used heat shrink on the cable because I want to protect it. Looking at this, that's probably not big enough, so I'm going to have to go for a bigger sleeve. I put that on there thinking that would be good, but no, it's not, is it really? Let's not fuck around. So let me well, I don't want to waste it, so let me take the connections out. Oh, Jesus. Tell you what, these bullet connections are... Christ. Can't even let the fucker go. Come on, baby, let my fire. Oh, that's crazy. No, that's I can't do that. That's going to cause a problem. Can I pull this one out? Let's see. Yeah, okay, I pulled that one out. That was way too tight. Sorry, you're having to suffer the fun. All this just not to waste a little bit of sleeve. Right. Now let's put a bigger piece of sleeve on. Okay, there we go. Now let's get the cable again. Okay, black to black. Let me get it in there. Now you can get a special tool for this. Is it worth it? I don't know, is the honest answer. They want such ridiculous prices for these tools, where a pair of long-nosed pliers seems to do the job. There you go, click, it's in. All right, now let us get this over here and cover the insulation. Okay, is that going to go over there? If not, doesn't matter. Let's just let's do this first. It doesn't matter. Just want to make sure everything here is okay. And some waterproofing, make it look good. All right, so I need a bigger heat shield here. Oh, hello, buddy. Oh, hello, boys. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't see you. I'm trying to do stuff here. What? You just want to come and say hello? That's okay. Yes, it is. That's okay, boys. Yes, it is. You're such beautiful boys. Yes. Can I finish what I'm doing? Would that be okay? What do you think, huh? I got all sorts of shit here to do, guys. And it's, ouch. It's... I really do need to get it sorted. I'm sorry, boys. There we go. Damn it. I'm sorry, boys. I just got to get this finished. Yes. Yeah, I know. that's not going to work, is it? Is there anything bigger? I fucking don't, do I? Alright, so let's see. What can I do, guys? Really? Alright, then the only thing... Shit. Well, let's try. Let's see if I can get it there. Not really. Really, guys? Fuck. Oh, buddy. I'll be with you in a minute, bud. Alright, how can I do this? I want it over that. Yes, Finn, I know you're there, buddy. I'm trying to figure something out here, boy. I'm sorry. Yes, yes, yes. Damn it. That is not big enough. How do I do this? Do I cut it? Would that work? What do you think, Finn? Huh? What do you think, Mr. Finn? Shall we try? No, that's not going to work, is it, Finn? Huh? What do you think? Mr. Finn. I know. Oh, hang on. Here we are in the left front wheel arch. You can see now that I've got most of the wires in position. I'm not sure yet, oops, hang on, whether or not I'm going to fix that back. I probably will. I'll probably get a clamp in there and bolt through. Probably do the same here as well, just to keep them neat and out of the way. I can't really do anything about that, unfortunately, because I'm not going to drill through there. I'm not going to head over that way because that will shorten this cable too much. Again, under here there is some areas that have been missed with the under seal. So I'm going to do it and do it properly. I'm not going to take it back to the body shop again just for this. Disappointing, but there you go. Shit happens. So I'll be giving that a bit of a spray. And there. And up here, of course, as well. Now, something else I've been dealing with. See if I can show you. Give me a second here. Is this, hang on, let me see if I can put the light down. Sorry about this. Is this here, this link, this is the locking link, so that when you turn the key on the outside, it locks it. Click, that's locked. And then when you turn the key, click, unlocks. Got to give this a clean up here. I'm not happy with that. Looks like the body shop put it on and didn't bother cleaning it. So I will be removing that, cleaning it and putting it back in. I've given the padding here a bit of a roll just to try and make it a little more stucked. Okay, these here are for the window regulator. Not in yet, obviously. I just put it there because I had the clips. I found some clips and I thought,
I'm going to lose them if I don't put them somewhere safe, so put them in where they're going to go. Still waiting for the mounting bracket for the transmission, and as soon as I get that, then I can complete the tunnel there. Obviously I will be getting the cover and putting that on and making that fit, so yeah, a lot of work to do there. Wiring harness, as you can see, is nowhere near complete. Let's see, what else have we got done? Oh, I've fixed the clutch pedal. Let's go for a walk. I'm not sure if I've told you this one before. Oh, and there you go, there's something else. This rubber seal. I didn't realise that there was a rubber seal there until I found it in the kit of rubbers that I've got. I do have to just adjust it there a little bit. I don't like that, so I'm going to adjust that. I've also got the wiring harness in now. They're never very pretty here. I'm not sure what else I can do about this. I mean, it's hidden away. Maybe I can make up some kind of cover for this area. We'll see about that. The harness comes out there, obviously, as you can see, with grommet and protection. I don't have the correct... they're little plastic strips with holes in and little pins. I don't have those. So I've used cable tie at the moment, but I'm not going to leave it like that. It's just for the moment, I want it there, and I will try and obtain the correct items. But that's later. As you can see, I've got a shitload of stuff in the boot here that's all got to be fitted. Let's see, what else did we have? Anybody want to buy a Corvette? Still for sale. Don't think there was... Oh, there's the clutch pedal I was bringing you around to, wasn't I? Excuse me, I've got to change hands. That happens a lot. So now you can see that the pedals are level. Now that I've put in the correct spring. So that's all pretty darn good. Right, I guess really I've got to start feeding this baby. I know one of these goes back into the bonnet. I think it's that one. I think, I'm not sure. It may well be that one, which is for the wiper motor. And then there's this one that goes somewhere. And there's this one that goes somewhere, and there's that one that goes somewhere. Oh, that's a really long one, and lots of nice colours, and oh, it looks like I've lost an end. Sorry. Looks like I've lost an end. Yeah, I've got to get some bullet connectors anyway. And gonna purchase the correct tool. Obviously, this one, judging by the bulb holders there, probably comes across to the dials, one would imagine. So this harness will come in this direction for up here. That's what I imagine. But my next task will be to get it up there and feed it to where it needs to be fed to. Obviously a lot of these are for all the centre gauges that go there. Right, sorry this is kind of a bit yeah, lots more to do still. My brother's coming out next month, well, September. We were hoping to be able to start the engine, but I got a feeling that may not happen. There is so much still left to do. So much to do and so little time, unfortunately. But we've still got plenty we can get on with when he's out here. So I'm looking forward to that. It'll be another time of drinking. So that'll be terrible. I'll have to drink. But hey, you know, it's what you have to do for your brother. Oh, look at that. Looks like... Oh, they've used the wrong bolts. Oh, you people. It's the trouble when people don't know the vehicle. That bolt there should either be a countersunk one or it should be a screw. I believe it should be a countersunk one, and they've not used the correct ones, and because of that the head hits. Okay, so I'm going to have to make sure I change those. Bugger. Alright, another little job to do. Yeah, it's alright in there. Oh, and grease nipples too. I've got to put grease nipples in the hinges. Nothing like greasing your nipples. Not sure what I'm going to do about this stuff yet. It's for the trim to fit to. Gonna have to decide whether I'm gonna leave it there, use it, or find another method of fixing. Who knows? We will see, won't we? We will see. Yeah, there's another one that needs taking off and cleaning up. Yeah, that needs a good clean. And so do the screws and everything. All right. That's okay. Look at that clink. And here, this one is done as far as it's gonna be done. I've got a fair bit of slack there that I can take up if I need it. That'll be later. Right at the moment, I'm not worried about that. That's lights. What else? Horn. Lights and horn, that's it. All that bloody lot, look at it. Jeez. Alright. Time for you guys to get out in the garage and do some shit. I've got the bumpers at the sandblasters at the moment. I'm getting them to clean the insides. I was going to try and do it myself, but it was just too fucking awkward and such a big job. I'll give them a few bucks and they'll blast them on the inside for me. I've got the overriders over here. Sorry, I'm prattling on a bit. And they, I think, will clean up okay. The insides are a little rusty, so I'm going to sandblast them in there. Yeah. And I've got to find the other two overriders. I'm not sure whether these are front or rear. I think these are the front ones. They've got an angle on them. Haha. They got an angle. That means they're probably the rear ones. Oh. All right. Oh, and by the way, there's another tool I purchased recently. Right angle drill. Very, very handy. You should get yourself one. And get yourself some of these clips. And these clips here, they're for under the dash. Now, they're the original ones, so I've kept them. Keeps everything in nice and neat. And this is the main harness goes through that bracket. And I found this clip, which I believe would hold a bullet block. Not sure. And lots of pumps. Look at them. I got them all over the damn place. Gosh. Okay, now really, get out in that garage. Do some shit.